Dear second prep, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud with you today to introduce a new mathematics lesson. Today, inshallah, we have Unit 1, Lesson 5. The lesson is called Factorizing the Sum and Difference of Two Cubes. In this lesson, inshallah, we are going to remember what the meaning of the cubes, and we are going to learn how can we factorize sum and difference of two cubes. Okay, let's start the lesson. Factorizing the sum and difference of two cubes. Before explaining how can we factorize the expression included cubes, we need to remember what the meaning of cubes. Okay, the cubes, the perfect cube numbers to the power of 3. Okay, 1 power of 3 equal 1, 2 power of 3 equal 8, 3 power of 3 equal 27, and so on as we see. Okay, all these numbers called perfect cubes. Because 1 is 1 power 3, 8 is 2 power 3, 27 is 3 power of 3, and so on. So any number of these numbers has a cubic root. For example, cubic root 8 equal 2, cubic root 27 equals 3, cubic root 64 equals 4, cubic root 125 equals 5, and so on. So you have to memorize. It's better to memorize this perfect cubes. Okay, now let's study how can we factorize expression included perfect cubes or cubes. This expression is binomial, formed from two cubes. X power 3 is a cube, y power 3 is a cube also, and between them there is minus, and of course we can use plus because the title is sum and difference, so we can see here plus or minus. It's okay in both cases. Okay, first we are going to open two brackets, one of them small and the other big, like this, small bracket and big bracket. Okay, the next step, I'm going to write the signs. Here in the small bracket I have one sign, and in the big bracket I have two signs. Okay, here this sign is same as the original sign, like this. If the original sign is negative, so this sign is negative, so I say that this is same sign. Okay, and here I have opposite to this sign, like this. Because this sign is negative, so its opposite is positive, so this sign forever opposite to this sign or opposite to the original sign. Finally, the third sign here is always positive. Okay, whatever the signs before, this sign always positive. Again, first, this is the same sign of the original sign, and this is opposite to the original, and this is always positive. Okay, then I'm going to fill the small brackets, and then I'm going to fill the big brackets. Okay, how come? I'm going to take the cubic roots here and the cubic root here. Okay, cubic root of x power of 3 is x, cubic root of y power of 3 is y. Again, to fill the small bracket, you take the cubic root of the original numbers, cubic root x power of 3, divide the power 3, it will be x power 1, and cubic root y power 3 equal y. Okay, then I'm going to fill the big bracket by using the small bracket. The small bracket included two terms, x and y. This one is called first and this one is called second. Again, x is called the first term and y is called the second term. Okay, after that, here this one formed from the first to the power of 2. First power of 2 means x to the power of 2, and written here and this term equals the second to the power of 2. When I say the second, I mean y. Y to the power of 2 written here. Finally, this is first times second. Okay, and first times second means x times y. Okay, this is xy. This is the formula of the or the rule that allow me to factorize x power 3 minus y power 3. Let's study another example. If I have x power of 3 plus 125, x power of 3 is a cube because this is power 3. 125 here, this is a cube. Its cubic root is 5. Okay, so this is sum of two cubes. Okay, so I'm going to open small bracket and big bracket like this. Okay, the sign first. Here I'm going to drop down the original sign because this is the same as the original, and this is the opposite of the positive sign, which is negative. Here this is always positive, as I said before. Okay, now I'm going to take the cubic root of two terms. Cubic root x power of 3 equal x, cubic root 125 equals 5. Now I'm going, this is the first and this is the second. First power of 2 here, second power of 2 here, 5 power of 2 equals 25, and finally here first times second, x times 5 equals 5x, as we see. Okay, this is a very easy way. Okay, this is systematic way. Okay, we use this way for all cubic difference or sum of two cubes. Okay, now let's solve the questions about this lesson. Number 1, here he asked me factorize x power 3 plus 8. Okay, there isn't a range in this example or in this factorization, and I haven't here common factor. So here I have x power 3, this is cube, so I'm going to open small bracket and big bracket, and after that I'm going to write the sign as I said before. Here I'm going to write the same sign, here opposite sign to this, and here this is always positive. Okay, this is the sign. After that I'm going to take the cubic root of x power 3, which is x. I will remind you how can I find the cubic root? Divide the power by 3, and then cubic root 8 equal 2. Okay, this is first and this is second. Here first power of 2, so this is x power of 2. Okay, and here second power of 2, which is 4. 2 power of 2 equal 4. Finally here first times second, x times 2 equals 2x. Okay, another one. 8x power of 3 minus 125, open small bracket and large bracket like this. Okay, and then distribute the sign as usual. Here the sign is minus, so this is same as the original sign, and this is opposite to the original sign, and this is always positive. Okay, cubic root first. Cubic root 8 equals 2. Cubic root x power of 3 equal x. Cubic root 125 equals 5. Okay, here first power of 2. 2x all power of 2. 2x all power of 2. I'm gonna to distribute the power. 2 power of 2, 4. And x power of 2. Okay, so this is 2x power of 2, as I said. So this is 4x power of 2, and here 5 power of 2 equals 25. At the middle, first times second, 2 times 5 equals 10x. Another example, 64 and 27, they hasn't a common factor. So I'm going to write small bracket and big bracket like this, and then distribute the sign. Because I have here plus, so this is the same as the original sign, and this is opposite, and this is always positive. Cubic root first, cubic root 64 is 4, and the cubic root x power of 3 is x. Cubic root 27 is 3. Here, first power of 2, 4x all power of 2 equals 16x power of 2. 3 power of 2 is 9, and 4x times 3 equal 12x. Number 4, 512. Okay, here I don't have a common factor between 512 and the other one is -1. Okay, so I'm going to open small bracket, big bracket, and the sign between here the same sign minus, and here it's opposite plus, and here always plus. Okay, cubic root 512 equals 8. Cubic root x equal x. X power of 3 equal x. Cubic root y power of 3 equal y. First power of 2, 8x all power of 2 equals 64x power of 2. And second power of 2, so it is y power of 2. First times second, 8x times y equal 8xy. Another one. Equal small bracket, big bracket. Here the sign plus, it's opposite minus, and this is always plus. Cubic root x power of 3 y power of 3 equal xy. Cubic root 27 is 3. First power of 2 xy all power of 2 means x power of 2 y power of 2. Second power of 2, 3 power of 2 equals 9. And finally, first times second, xy times 3 equals 3xy. Number 6. Okay, here I have here common factor 2. So I'm going to write 2 and open bracket like this. 2 divided 2 equal 1. I don't write 1 because I have x power of 3 already. 16 divided by 2 equal positive 8. X power of 3 plus 8 is sum of 2 cubes. So I'm going to open small bracket and the big bracket, and then distribute the sign. The sign here is plus, so this is the original sign, same sign, and this is opposite to the original, and this is always plus. Cubic root x power of 3 is x. Cubic root 8 is 2. And then x power of 2, first power of 2 equal x power of 2. Second power of 2 is 4. And the first times second equal 2x. Another example. 3x power 4 plus 3x. Okay. First, I'm going to take a common factor. Here 3 is a common factor. And we have x power 4 and x power 1. So I'm going to take the smaller power x. So x is a common factor. So I'm going to open one bracket like this. Okay, 3 divided by 3, 1, but I don't write 3 because I have x already. X power 4 minus x power 1 equal x power of 3. 3 divided by 3 positive 1. I wrote 1 here because x over x cancelled. So I have to write a number, so this is 1. Okay, now x power of 3 plus 1 is a cube, sum of 2 cubes. So I'm going to write 3x first, and open small bracket and a big bracket, and then distribute the sign as usual. Here plus and here it's opposite minus, and here always plus. Cubic root x power of 3 is x, cubic root 1 is 1. First power of 2, this is x power of 2, second power of 2, 1 power of 2 equal 1. First times second, x times 1 equal x. Number 8. Here I have 16 and 250. 16 and 250 there in table 2. Okay? So I have a common factor 2. And I hear x power of 3 and y power of 3, they haven't a common factor. So the common factor is only 2, table 2. Okay, open bracket like this. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. And drop down x power of 3. 250 divided by 2 equals 125. And drop down y power of 3. And then I have x power of 3, y power of 3. So this is cubes. So I'm going to write 2 and open small bracket and a big bracket. The sign here is positive in the first brackets like the original sign, and here it's opposite, and here plus. Cubic root 8x power of 3 equal to x. Cubic root 125y power of 3 equals 5y. 2x all power of 2 equal 4x power of 2. 5y all power of 2 equals 20. 5y power of 2. First times second, 2 times 5 equals 10. X times y equals xy. Okay, we said before if we have a fraction. Okay, so I'm going to take the cubic root for this fraction. Cubic root 1 over 2. Okay, this is an irrational number. So I will take half as a common factor because there isn't a cubic root for 1 over 2. Okay, so half is a common factor. So I'm going to open bracket like this, and half divided half equal 1. So I'm going to drop x power of 3, and 4 divided half equal positive 8, like this. Okay, finally I have x power of 3 plus 8. This is cubes, so I'm going to open small bracket and a big bracket like this, and distribute the sign. Here the sign is plus, so I'm going to write plus, and its opposite is minus, and here is always plus. Cubic root x power of 3 is x. Cubic root 8 is 2. First power of 2, x power of 2. Second power of 2, 4. First times second, x times 2 equals to x. Okay, now let's solve the next example. Okay, in number 10 here, I have 16 and 643. Here I have common factor there in table 2. Okay, so I have a common factor 2, and also a power of 3, and here no a, so a power of 3 is not common, but I have b and b. B power 1 and b power 4, so I'm going to take b power 1 as a common factor. Okay, like this, because I'm choosing the smaller power. Okay, then 16 divided by 2 equals 8. A power of 3 drop down. B over b cancelled. Okay, 686 divided by 2 equal 343. B power 4 minus b power 1 equal b power of 3. And now I have cubes, so I'm going to open two small bracket and a big bracket. So 2b small bracket, big bracket. So I'm going to distribute the sign. Here plus, so the bracket, small bracket is plus, and this is opposite, and this is always plus. Cubic root 8a power of 3 equal 2a. Cubic root 343b power of 3 equal 7b. 2a all power of 2 equal 4a power of 2. 7b all power of 2 equals 49b power of 2. First times second, 2a times 7b equals 14ab. Okay, here 500s and 256. Okay, here I have they are even numbers, so they are in table 2, but they also in table 4. So the common factor, the highest common factor is 4. Okay, and I have x power 8 and x power 5. I'm going to take the smaller power, which is x power 5. Y power of 2 and y power 5. I'm going to take the smaller power, which is y power of 2. Open bracket like this. 500 divided by 4 equals 125. X power 8 divided x power 5 equal x power 3. And y power of 2 over y power of 2 cancelled. 256 divided by 4 equals 64. X power 5 over x power 5 cancelled. Y power 5 over y power of 2 equal y power of 3. Inside the brackets I have x power of 3 and y power of 3. So they are difference of 2 cubes. So I'm going to write down 4 x power 5 y power of 2 and open small bracket and a big bracket. Then distribute the powers, the signs. Here minus, its opposite plus, and here always plus. Okay, cubic root 5 125 x power of 3 equals 5x. Cubic root 64 y power of 3 equals 4y. First power of 2, 5x all power of 2 equals 25 x power of 2. Second power of 2, 4y all power of 2 equals 16 y power of 2. First times second, 5x times 4x equal 20 xy. 5x times 4y. Okay. Another example. Here I have x plus 3 all power of plus 5 all power of 3 and minus 125. I can't expand this bracket because this is bracket power of 3. It's very, very difficult to expand this bracket. So I'm going to factorize, okay, using x power 5 minus plus 5 all power of 3, okay, as a unit. Okay, this one represent a cube because this is power of 3, and 125 also is a cube. So I'm going to factorize difference between two cubes. How come, Mr. Ahmed? First, I'm going to open small bracket and a big bracket. Inside the small bracket, I'm going to take cubic root of bracket power of 3 equal bracket power 1. Okay, cubic root this bracket power of 3 equals the same bracket but power 1 minus cubic root 125 equals 5. Here minus and here plus and here also plus. Okay, first power of 2, so x plus 5 all power of 2. Second power of 2, 5 power of 2, 25. And here first times second, 5 open bracket x plus 5. Okay, now I'm going to simplify what's inside the brackets. I don't leave it like this. Okay, here x plus 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5, 0. So it is x. Okay, and the large bracket. I'm going to expand x plus 5 all power of 2 as we studied before. First power of 2, x power of 2. Second power of 2, 5 power of 2, 25. And 2 times first times second. Again, 2 times first times second. 2 times x times 5 equal 10x. Here, I'm going to distribute 5 among the bracket. 5 times x equal 5x. 5 times 5 equals 25. And here drop down plus 25. Okay. Outside there is x, here I'm going to simplify the like terms, x power of 2, and here I have 10x and 5x give me 15x plus 15x. Here I have 25 and 25. 25 plus 25 plus 25, positive 75. Another example. Choose the correct answers. Number 1, x plus 3 plus y equals 3, and x power of 2 minus xy plus y power of 2 equal 5, x power of 3 plus y power of 3. We took example like this in last lesson. I said before that he will give me three expressions. One of them can be factorized or can be expand. Okay, which one of the three expressions can be factorized? Of course, it's x power of 3 plus y power of 3. Okay, x power of 3 plus y power of 3 equal x plus y times, okay, equal x plus y times x power of 2 minus xy plus y power of 2. Again, x power of 3 plus y power of 3 equal x plus y times this bracket. So x power of 3 plus y power of 3 equal, in place of this bracket I will write 3 times, in place of this bracket I will write 5, which is equal 15. So this is 15. Number 2, x power of 3 minus y power of 3 equal 15, and the big bracket equal 7, so x minus y equal what? Which one of the three brackets, three expressions can be factorized? This one, okay? X power of 3 minus y power of 3 equal x minus y times this expression, x power of 2 plus xy plus y power of 2. Again, x power of 3 minus y power of 3 equal x minus y times this bracket, small bracket times big bracket. Okay, so I need this one, so I'm going to divide 14 divided 7. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. Y power of 3 equals y minus 2 times y power of 2 plus 2 y plus 4. Again, y power of 3 minus a. Okay, the a, its cubic root is 2. Again, a, its cubic root is 2. So cubic root a equal 2. Okay, so I'm going to take power 3 to both sides to cancel this cubic root. So a equal 2 power of 3, which is 8. Okay, complete this expression. Okay, here this number, it's a square. Okay, this comes from this number. Again, 9 here comes from this number. Number power of 2 equals 9. It's 3 because 3 power of 2 equal 9. Okay, and this number equal 3 power of 3. Again, this number equal 3 power of 3. 3 power of 3 equal 27. Okay, and after that I'm going to complete the bracket like as usual. Here cubic root 8, a power of 3 equal 2a. A 2a all power of 2 equal 4a power of 2. And 2a times 3 equal 6a. Another one. X power 12, y power 15. Here x power of 12, its cubic root is x power. When we take the cubic root, we divide the power by 3. 12 divided 3 equal 4. And here also cubic root y power 15 equals y power 5 because we divide the power by 3. Okay, here x power 4 all power of 2 equal x power of 8. Y power 5 all power of 2 equals y power of 10. Finally, x power 4 times y power 5 equal x power 4 y power 5. Number 3. Okay, here x power 3 minus k power of 3, and here minus k, and here k power of 2. Okay, here unknown, and this is unknown, and this is unknown. But by looking to this one, this is 4x. Okay, 4x comes from here, first times second. So x times k equal 4x. That means k equal 4. Okay, again k equal 4. So k equal 4 because k times 4 equal 4x. Okay, and this is the end of the lesson. I hope it was helpful for you. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mr. Ahmed Mahmoud was with you.